Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to help you shop for items. So as you know, you usually use Google or maybe price comparison websites to find products online. However, ChatGPT has now included a new feature where it basically can shop for you. So let me show you how to do this on ChatGPT. So before you begin, you want to first go to App Store or Play Store. You want to search for ChatGPT and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, we're going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to find me a robotic lawnmower. And my budget is between 100 to 200 pounds. So let's go ahead and ask this. Find me a robotic lawnmower for my garden. The price has to be between 100 and 200 pounds. And it needs to work with the app. So I've now sent the request off. It's basically searching the web for a robotic lawnmower. And as you can see, based on my requirements, it has found me the robotic lawnmower. So from Aldi, there's a robotic lawnmower, 200 pound. There's another lawnmower, which is about 200 pound as well on Amazon. Then there's a Flymo Easy robotic lawnmower, which is around 200 pound and it's available at various retailers. It has even given me a comparison of all the stuff it can do. So the price, lawn size, app control, boundary wires, max slope, cutting height, and the affordability. So the features of it. If you scroll down, it gives you some recommendations on what to buy and what not to buy. So by using ChatGPT, it can basically help you shop for items. So there you go, guys. That is how to use ChatGPT to help you shop for items. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.